I'm K Frizzell, K Moore Frizzell, and this is my RV-8A, and this is 52 Fox, Northwest Regional in Roanoke, Texas. And I fly this almost every day. I do some form of aerobatics every day, and it is, if the weather is decent and I'm not somewhere else, I will be flying. And I've put 1,440 hours on it. Most of it has been short flights, but some distance, like to Atlanta a few times and to Memphis a few times. It is something I cannot imagine living without. And I'm 81 years old, and therefore I fly every day that I can. I do not let a day pass that I don't get in the air if the weather's decent. And it is definitely what keeps me young. And I fly with guys, formation, etc. Guys who are mostly much younger than I am, and I think they keep me young. And I would recommend this aircraft to anyone. It is a great airplane to fly. It's not difficult to fly, and the performance is fantastic. You can do almost anything you want to in this airplane. So I started flying as a young man, but it was my financial situation didn't allow me to continue it. But I took lessons in a Aranca Champ, and then I got to a 150, and then later in life I started out with owned a 150, a Mooney, a Comanche 250, and a Blanca Viking. And how I got into this airplane, unfortunately I lost an engine on takeoff in the Blanca Viking here at this airport, and fortunately I was able to put it down in a field. No one was hurt. They did total out the aircraft though. And I thought, well, maybe somebody's trying to tell me something, maybe I don't need to be flying anymore. And Randy Richmond, who owns an aircraft service here on the field, a really good friend, nice man, took me flying in an RV-8, and I definitely came back with the RV grin. And I had to have an RV, and that's the history of my RV flying, is starting out with losing an airplane, as it turned out one of the greatest things that ever happened to me. But he needs to get a photo of us, 8A guys.
I like this.
Oh man, it is so cool. I was just telling him, the most fun thing to fly you've ever flown in your life. So responsive.
I bet this thing hauls.
Yeah, we were just talking, it's nothing to be going 200 miles an hour.
Wow.
At a relatively inexpensive.
Which thing?
You should get a picture of these guys. Building. Being introduced, the builder being introduced to the one that's flying.
Yeah.